If you want to become profitable trading gold in this year 2026, you just need two time frames, one for analysis time frame and the other for the entry time frame. You only need the 1 hour time frame and the 5 minute time frame. Now I want you to pay attention to these. Only we are not selling gold, only buys. So what you want to do is to go over to the 1 hour time frame first. If you come to the 1 hour time frame, observe the market on the 1 hour time frame. Make sure the price is bullish, showing you higher highs and higher lows, right? So what you want to do in this case, you have to wait for price to at least take out a previous low and start creating some kind of bearish trend, right? So once market in any way gives us another change of character here, this is your opportunity to get into gold, right? So once market gives a change of character on the 1 hour time frame, all you need to do is go down to the 5 minutes time frame. If you go down to the 5 minutes time frame, you're simply looking out for a change of character on the 5 minutes time frame. You want to see market show you a trend like this, where price is bearish and all of a sudden gives a change of character and you buy using the fib, right? So this is my fib setting that you're going to be using from here, from the point of this low all the way to the point where market should test structure from. Now you're going to be marking out the 0.5 and 0.618, and that will be your entry point. So I'm going to show you guys an example on the chart right now. Like I said before, first thing you need to do is wait for gold to enter a short bearish movement, right, where you start seeing market takes out a previous higher low and start creating lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, and this should be on the 1 hour time frame. Once market shifts structure just like this, you can see this is a change of character on the 1 hour. Now what you need to do is you mark out your structure shift right here, which is the change of character. Once you mark it out on the 1 hour time frame, you switch down to 5 minutes time frame. Now when you switch down to the 5 minutes time frame, there are chances that on the 5 minute time frame you start seeing market creating lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. Now all you're looking for on the 5 minutes is to see market realign. What I mean by realignment, you want to see market give us another market structure shift, and once it gives you a market structure shift, all you need to do is pick your Fibonacci, put it on this last low right here, and take it up to this previous point right here, which market took out to give us structure shift. So from here, I'll take it all the way to this point. Now my entry point is going to be what? The 0.5 and 0.618 of the fib level, just as you can see right here. And mind you, I'm only buying gold. Using this strategy, I only focus on buying gold. I don't sell gold. Okay? Now, what you'll be waiting for is for price to what? Tap back into this level, and it should give you a clean 1 2 3 RR consistently, and your stop loss should be placed just right below the low right here. Okay, so now let's go to the chart and let me show you guys an example. So I'm currently on the 1 hour time frame. If you look at this particular point right here, this particular zone right here, you can see that price gave us a market structure shift right here. Now so you have a market structure shift, let's go down to the 5 minutes time frame. Now this is the 5 minutes time frame, and this point right here is the point where we had our market structure shift, or otherwise what people call as the change of character. So I'm going to label that market structure shift or choke, right? So now what we need to do is come to the 5 minutes time frame. Remember I said on the 5 minutes time frame we're only looking for what? Buying opportunities and not selling opportunities. So here's a single tip I need to give you guys when it comes to the 5 minutes time frame. Make sure that you see this type of pattern where market on the 5 minutes time frame is giving. Come to this 5 minutes time frame, what can we see? If I label this chart, this is what we have. We have this high here, it's a high low. Price to cut this high low right here, giving us what? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? So now let's see how the market plays out right here. So what we see right here, we're going to understand that price took out what? Give a structure shift just right at this point. As you can see. Okay, now after market give a structure shift, now I'm just trying to understand what happened here, and I'm seeing that market did not take out this low, right? So that means this is not a lower low, as we can see. Okay, so I'm trying to take that out. All right, So market gave us a market structure shift from this point right here. Though I don't use the candle close, right? For those of you who might have that question, I don't use candle close for my market structure shift. So here, I'm just going to apply my fib. I'm going to take it from this low all the way to the point where market gave a structure shift, right? So that means I'll be in a bit of drawdown, but regardless of that, price still moved in my direction. So this is my entry point right here. I usually want to enter on the 0.618. I'll put my stop loss somewhere here. So there are chances that this trade would have taken me out, but regardless of that, market moved for a clean 1 to 3 hour. Now, this does not end here. You can keep on looking for this same pattern, this same 5 minutes time frame pattern, until market on the 1 hour time frame changes direction. Right, so let's see what happened here again.
As a newbie trader, are you looking for a broker you can actually trust? The global forex industry has acknowledged Winprofx's achievement. With Winprofx, you're getting the lowest price you can ever find in the forex market, fast and lightning withdrawals, over 300 plus tradable instruments, and of course, nanosecond execution just at your fingertips. Now, getting started with Winprofx is very simple. All you simply need to do is create an account, complete your KYC, and of course, make a deposit, and you can start trading on Winprofx broker instant. This is the reason why you need to join the fastest growing forex broker worldwide, trusted by 40 plus countries, 40 plus global awards, 105 countries covered, and of course, over 300 plus instruments tradable both in forex, CFDs, and commodities. If you start trading today with Winprofx, you are going to experience a seamless trading environment where transparency meets advanced technology. Built for traders across all levels, beginners to pro. Trade smarter, trade faster, trade with confidence. Winprofx evolves with the market. See you guys on the next one. Make sure to click the link in my bio to join Winprofx today.
We're going to understand that price started going bearish again on the 5 minutes time frame. If you take a look at price, you can see it's a high, low, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. Now, I always like to be realistic when I'm teaching strategies. Now, what you guys can understand here is that market gave a structure shift, but then if I use my fib from this low, because this is the low right here, all the way to this area, you're going to see that this trade did quite hit my stop loss. Okay, so let me put that on. Now 0.618. Now you're going to see that market did hit my stop loss on this one, but now let's see. Okay, after market hit my stop loss, what happened again? We're going to identify that market still gave another market structure shift right here. Okay, because after market took out this low, this is a lower high and this is a lower low. So price went up again, gave a structure shift. What am I going to do? I'm going to use my fib again from this low all the way to this high here. Okay, now before I make that mistake, okay, yes, I'm correct. So from this low, here all the way to this point right here. So we can see that market came into this 0.618 level. Excuse me. So price came into 0.618 level, and this is going to be my entry point just right here. Stop loss right below the low. And what can we see? Market gave a clean 1 to 3 RR. So with these just two trades right here, or two setups that we can see right here, and let me clear this and have a clean chart. With these three setups that we have right here, so this is 3RR, this is minus 1%, this is 3RR. So together, I would have made 5%. If you're seeking to pass your phase 2, phase 1 accounts, you would have passed it using this system. All right. If you want to know more, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section, and I will direct you to my YouTube channel where you can watch this video in full.